Hi guys, I got DVD unboxing video today. I got 4 new Barney DVDs in the mail from eBay. Unfortunately, I got this one in love with the $200 house, but inside the case was broken, had the piece broken, so I had to open it up off camera. But anyway, here is the update. If I can find it on blue, I'll give it home. I think I have video on blue actually. I don't think I do. I don't think I actually have video on blue. It took a long time before we start this video. Cause I think that DVD had to be lost. If I have it, so I don't want me to. I guess start the DVDs. So I got these in the mail. I'm not sure the next is $100 house so fast. Really quick. So here it is. The Dexter. Let's start with the dancing. Yep, here it is. Dancing. This is the logo. 32 minutes. That's on TV. I used to hate this video, but now I like it. We have a Starbucks music dancing. Because you do something. This video is one. All booked up and how we interview. Songs and rhymes. More songs on the go. And let's get this open. Actually, I think they were the one that I'm here. But it went to D'Anthony Melton, who plays for the other team. O'Neal can't believe it. Yes, he can. He loves it. Indeed. 3-0, 102.97. Put my phone away. Here's the beard. I know I already had this, but it was the wrong version, so wrong disc, so I got a new one. So I got a fresh new one. Again, it's almost wrong copy. I have another copy of the home, but I'm not nation question box there. Got the shinker, practically. This video on and the inside of the case. Let's do this again and again. I like this one. This one fingerprints and scratches. We have here. It's in much better condition, so put that there. This is the park arrow video. Really good. Love it. This silver radio in blue. Now I haven't opened this yet, but we're going to open it up now to be able to see a window or Lionsgate. Let's find out, shall we? And this is a misprint copy with Barney Pepper Hugs. Let's just Barney Lost Family and the clipping. I really know, and it's just a refill. And believe it or not. Wow! Oh my gosh. There's my one. Another one. Magenta color. Have look at that. It's just my one. Magenta color. How innocent is that? I wonder we just turned this. And don't think it's something in Canada. I would. And a really nice light down better. And this one can go in here. And I didn't say so. This one can actually go in here. And the music I got a lot worse for this one DVD. Barney's after fun. When do we just can't run around? This is kind of cute. I'm going to open it up. Then I got this. I just show pattern. Look at the front. It's some fingerprints and it looks pretty good. So there's no shout to left as well. And this is a 200 Foxy print. Really nice. And there you go for my Barney DVD unboxing. Hope you enjoy. See you later. And they're doing some more Barney content coming up. If you're here for Barney content, it's the place to subscribe. So see you soon. Goodbye. See you later.